Hi guys, welcome back to Gloss and Sparkle. So what I have for you today is another bead haul. This time it's from a company called lbeads.com. I'm really excited for the things that I got today, so let me show you what is in this big bag. So this is something that I've never really ordered before. These are made out of wood, and they are just this cute little mauve pink color. I thought these were really cute. These are great connector pieces to do earrings with. I mean, you could just do such a simple earring with these and it'd be super cute. I really like these. I'm not sure how well they hold up as of yet because I've never worked with wood, like I said, but I'm super excited to try these on some earrings or even some necklaces for that matter. Speaking of connector pieces, I also got these. These are silver toned, and they're just little squares or little diamonds because that's the way they'll sit. I thought these were super pretty. They almost have like a Victorian-esque look, and they're the perfect size again to do earrings. I've been really liking earrings lately. Normally I do rings and then I got into this bracelet phase, but lately I've been into earrings, so this is what these look like. The other thing that I really like about these is that they're the same on either side. Sometimes when you get these connector pieces that are metal or filigree, they'll be flat on one side, but these ones are pretty much the same on both sides, so I really like those. I could even see putting these with some of those pink ones. Can you see that? That would be really cute. And these came in a pack of 50. So did these. So no Gloss and Sparkle bead haul would be complete without some rondelles or some crystals. So this one is no different. I really liked these, this milky color. It's just a blue, kind of like a sky blue, but it's got that iridescence and that milkiness. I hope you're able to see that iridescence. I'm using natural light today in a different camera, so hopefully the footage is a little bit better than normal. But I really like these. And then let's see, these are 8mm. Okay, so these are, so this is one strand of 4mm crystals. Oh, look how pretty these are. These are like a black and olivine iridescent finish. Really like those. Those would be good for a ring or a bracelet for sure. I love how you can see the color popping through so heavily. They're almost like half coated. Super pretty. And then these ones are 6mm. Look at those greens, blues, and purples. This, I would say, is one of my absolute favorite finishes for crystals. It's almost like a peacock mixture. So beautiful. Look at those facets catching the light. So I also picked up 2 gold tone magnetic clasps. And I'm kind of funny about these because sometimes when you order them from various stores, they just aren't that magnetic. So let's see how these ones are. Whoa. I can hardly get them apart, so that means they're good. That's what they look like. And oh, these are good. Very magnetic. So I'm excited to use these. These I saw on the website and I was like, are they going to be good? I'm not sure, but I thought I'd give it a try anyway. They are faux geodes, faux geode pendants, and yes, they are resin, but you know what? I think they're so pretty. I really think they're well done. You can see the little bits of crackliness inside to, you know, show that faux druzy, and then on the side they're gold plated, gold tone plated. They're super pretty. I really like these. I'm a little sad that it came in a 5-piece and not a 6-piece because then you could get 3 pairs of earrings out of it, but I suppose this way you can do a necklace and 2 pairs of earrings. That's what those look like. Love them. Okay, The next item was double bagged, and these are Preciosa Tila beads. Now, are these open? Am I gonna have to? Okay, I want to get out a few of these for you so you can see. Sometimes when I order Tila beads that are not straight from Miyuki, this is the problem that I get. Now, can you see that? Can you see that there's just like a tiny little chip in the corner? So the edges sometimes look quite rough, as you can see there. That is not something that I normally find in regular Tila beads, Miyuki Tila beads. Like, here's some Miyuki Tilas. Let me open these. Whoa! And I'll show you the difference. See how smooth those edges are? I mean, you can see like tiny little nicks, but see, am I focusing? But for the most part, they're very, very smooth. And you can just see the quality in them. So I don't often see the high quality that I'm looking for in Tilas when I order from various companies like BB Craft and places like that. The thing is, in my work, when the piece is actually done, I don't notice the difference. So that's why I actually don't mind ordering these. So I'm actually pretty happy with these. There's some Faux Druzies. And again, these came in a 5-pack, which I really, really, really wish they came in a 6-pack. These are also acetate pieces. Got a little iridescence going on in them. Super pretty. They've got a rose gold finish on the sides. I like these. And because they're acetate and not actual stone, they're going to be really lightweight. So when you put them on an earring, it's not going to weigh your ear down. All right, so now I have some more connector pieces. I thought these were really pretty. So these are interesting because remember what I was saying earlier about how sometimes they're one-sided? These are interesting because they have like this little design on one side. It's almost like a little grating or a little grill marks almost. And on the other side, it doesn't have that. So I'm really not sure which side is supposed to be the front, but I suppose you could just use it either way. If you want the smoothness like this, you could use it on that side. Or if you want the textured side, go ahead and use that side. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with these. Not other than that, I am happy with these. Few more connectors, guys. I'm really into the connector pieces right now. So this is a 20 piece, although that looks, no, that's 20. I was going to say it looks like more than 20. They almost look nautical, don't they? They're gold toned. Super pretty. Really like those. Those would go really good with the wood pieces too. Look at that. It's like some sort of nautical theme and then a life preserver or something. I don't know. Oh, okay. Anyway, I guess you would consider this a connector, or is this a finding? I'm not really sure. But I thought these would be great for earrings. So you put the fish wire up here, or the earring hook, and then, oh, maybe those little druzies at the end. How cute would that be? How cute. How adorable would that be? So that's why I like to get things like this. I saved the best for last, or one of my favorite things for last anyway. These are 13 by 18 millimeter crystals. Crystal cabochons, crystal gems, whatever you want to call it. So they give you 50 in here, which is such a great deal. Now, the thing I want to look at these colors. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to bezel these. I cannot wait. Okay, so for the most part, are they beautiful? Yes, they are beautiful. The thing, if I had to make a complaint, is that sometimes you'll get ones like this one. I don't know if you can see it, but she's pretty scratched up. She's a little bit, you know, so I would just discard this one probably because it's so scratched up. Or I'm sure you could find something to do with it that's not, maybe jewelry related. The other thing that you will find in these is that they will have some random chips. So this one, I just saw a chip in it. Okay. It's got a random chip right. Did I just see that? Okay. Oh, like here's a chip right here. You see that? So you'll find little things like that. Last but not least, you're going to find that the backing, the silver backing, will sometimes have chips as well. As you can see along the side there, it's a little bit, you can see some crackling right there. And eventually with wear, this will come off. But that is also the case with Swarovski crystals. So what I like about the fact that they give you 50 is that you can kind of cull through them and pick out the best ones, and there's usually not too many that are bad that I need to like throw away or anything like that. But let me just show you the difference between these and some actual Swarovskis. All right, so I got out a couple of Rivolis, and although they're not exactly the same, I don't have any 18 by 13 Swarovskis at the moment, so these are just some 10 millimeter Rivolis and Rivolis, whatever. And you can see the difference in the backing, and there's no cracking on the sides. They're a little bit thinner on the sides as well. So you're just going to see that little bit of higher quality. But honestly, when you're bezeling, I really don't think that makes much of a difference because you're covering up all this side edging anyway. If you were to use these for some wire work, for example, where the stone would actually be exposed, that's a completely different story. But since I'm using these for the purpose of bezeling, they work out great. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I am definitely excited to get ready and to start organizing and beading, creating jewelry. So I will leave all the links to L Beads down in the description bar below, so you can head on over there and check it out for yourself. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!